In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in Lovable AI. Whether you're new to this platform or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to download your project files effortlessly. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to head over to Lovable AI's website. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL lovable.dev. Once you're there, the homepage should load up. Look for the Login button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page, and go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll see a prompt to log in using various options. For simplicity, we're going to continue with Google. So click on the Continue with Google option. You'll be redirected to the Google login page. It's at this stage you'll select your Google account that you want associated with Lovable AI. Once you've clicked your account, you'll be logged in and redirected back to Lovable AI's platform. Now that you're logged in, you'll need to locate your project. Navigate through your dashboard and find the project you wish to save. It's usually under a section labeled My Projects or something similar. Once you've found it, click to open your project. Inside your project, you'll be able to see various options and tools at your disposal. The next step is to locate the Code button. Usually this button is easily identifiable and stands out, but if you're having trouble, just hover your cursor over potential buttons to reveal tooltips until you spot the one that says Code. Now comes the final step to saving your project file. In the Code section, look towards the upper right corner for the Download option. Click on this, and the TSX file for your project will begin to download to your local drive. This file contains all the code and elements of your project, bundled up and ready for you to use as needed. And there you have it, you've successfully saved your project from Lovable AI to your local computer. With this downloaded file, you can edit or back up your work outside the Lovable AI environment. I hope this tutorial has empowered you to manage your projects with confidence. Don't hesitate to dive deeper into Lovable AI's capabilities by exploring and trying out different features. If you have any questions or further topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.